Hello Mexico lovers, this is your real estate guy, and today I want to show you a very special property we have here for sale. This is the only three-bedroom condo in the project Las Gavias Golden Shores. Now, what is so special about this project? I will tell you what is. Other than the location, that is the golden rule in real estate, you know. This place is located in the heart of the Golden, so that means you can go walking to the beach or to any kind of business you want here. Do you have bars, clubs, pharmacies, restaurants, schools, even hospitals pretty close here, pretty close. So you can go walking almost everywhere. Now, what else is so special about this place? This place was built 12 years ago. They started delivering in 2007. What does that mean? There are no biases and no secrets and no surprises in this project. Every problem that the construction had, if it had any, it was fixed already. So there are no surprises. This is a consolidated developer too. It's Pronova, one of the largest developers in Mazatlan. This was their second project on the beach. They did one in the boardwalk, and after that, they decided to do this in front of the beach. What else is special about this project? Since it was done long ago, they didn't went any short on the amenities. Just look at this. Huge infinity pool, goes all the way from here to there. You see how big, you can have an idea of how big it is by the size of the people there. It's really, really huge. It also has 4 jacuzzis in every corner of the pool and a little pool for children. So as you can see, this project was done when the developers really want to do something exclusive to please their buyers and their investors. Okay, wide spaces, a lot of common areas for you to enjoy. You can see right now they are not exactly the same, you know, but however, so this is a great development, great amenities. We have an oceanfront gym. All this area with the Mediterranean roof is for meetings. Eventually I will do a video to show you the common areas. We have a bar, an oceanfront gym, a massage room, 2 steam rooms, a business center, a movie theater. They have a lot of stuff here. But if you want to see something before we do the video, go on the description of the video and there is a link to the amenities of Las Gavias. Now let me show you the condo. The barbecue is ready for you to bring your friends and of course your real estate guide with you to your next meeting. Maybe you can notice